Hey YouTube, wanted to bring you along on this adventure here. I was going to make a quick video of what to do when you're building an addition and your floor is going to end up kind of below grade. Normally we'd be on an 8-inch block and our 2x10s would sit on that, and then that would be in line with our floor, which is way over there, and the exterior would be just a wooden box joist. We can't do that. We're too low and we're not clearing grade. Let me show you over on this other side. It's a little better to see where the patio is. Oh, Nelly. You can see here, way down here would be the plate that the joists are sitting on, and then this would be a box joist. Well, you can't have your foundation that low. So to remedy that, let me jump down in my hole. To remedy that, you have your 8-inch block, then you put a 4-inch block on. So now your exterior, what would be a box joist, is now concrete, and that way you can start your siding up here as opposed to way down there, which you can't do. So you see what we did here, because this was there was a miss by the mason. I think it was a little bit of miscommunication between the contractor and the mason, but this would have been a 2x8. Rip the 2x8 down, so I got 4 inches, so we're sitting on here, and then we come up and we notch. Normally they would figure the 4-inch block to hit right where it needs to, but that's okay on this one. I made it work. It took a little bit of time, but you know, that's why I make the big bucks, making all these big decisions here. So I'll show you, because I had extra treated, I ripped the treated down to be the exterior box. It is not called for by code here, but I would say always go with a treated exterior box joist. So you have a treated plate, treated exterior. It's going to be a little more impervious to the bugs that want to get in there and start eating the regular, you know, the regular lumber like this. That's about it. Want to make a quick video because I saw the opportunity to show something that isn't normal, I guess. It's kind of using a 4-inch concrete block as an outside box joist. So where this addition is going was originally a porch, and I demoed the porch. I might have some pictures. I'll show them to you right now if I do. And it was years ago and closed with just some aluminum, some windows and stuff. You can see actually maybe there the caulk line where the posts were up against the house. You can see, well, there's the beams there. So when I demoed it, I wanted to leave the roof on there to shed water. So what this is going back with is a 16 by 14 addition, and it is going to have a cathedral ceiling. Actually, my plan was to show you guys this addition when I did the ceiling. Cathedral ceiling? Cathedral roof? I guess it's a cathedral ceiling because the roof is the roof. Anyway, that was my plan, was to show this to you guys when the cathedral ceiling went in with the beam and everything, and show you kind of how that's done. So you may see this in another video if that video exists. I'll put it somewhere here, maybe over there, I don't know. It'll be on the screen, should be. I'm an idiot. Okay guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Got angry caffeinated bees flying around. That ain't good.